Alright, rolling on the 96. The fan stopped working. I turned on whatever. Yet nothing. It started kind of going out. I know if it was the resistor, it'd only get high when you get the other ones. I'm getting nothing. And then if you look under here, this panel pops off. There's a couple press buttons in, so it's not a big deal. It falls out. You're gonna need to pull this little side cover from the side. No big deal. Pops out. But if you grab this one, you can hear it, right? Trying, but it's a little long. You're like, for sure it's a connection problem, right? But it's not. She just all over the place. She has a good connection. I think it's just messing with the windings on the inside. Either way, we gotta take out some screws, bolts, what have you, and then we'll go from there. So this is the part number. I believe it came from the Evil Bay. I'm not really sure. I forget. But definitely should be pumping out some air, and it's like trickling nothing. And this is how you know that the thing is still working, the ballast resistor. Anyway, cut the key. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the disconnect. I'll let you know what the screws are, drop it down, and then we'll look at the new one. Alright, so this is the new assembly outside the box. I would have shown you, but you know. And then this one, the wire you phase through, it sits back here, comes on here, make sure it's all bolts the same. The original one didn't have the little wire tang, it just sits on here. It's not no end of the world stuff, it's just, you know, more generically made. But obviously she's been through the ringer. This one does have a rubber gasket, so that's cool. I can show you what it looks like out of it. So basically you have that cable and you just push it through here and she'll be alright either way. So I'm put that assembly back in and then mount it. It's 3 bolts, these little guys like that, and the size is was that 7/32. Alright, let's get it back in, and then we'll hit the switches or whatever. If it starts to be more difficult, probably the smartest thing to do is plug it in to make sure this thing works, and maybe we'll do that before we go mount it. Hey, that sounds like a great idea. Alright, let's do that. Bing! Alright, plugged in the harness. We're just gonna give her a spin. Trying to get the keys in. It's already on, low speed. Let us see. Seems like low speed. Middle. Mid. Alright. So we call that good. Alright, so we'll unplug it, throw it back in here, throw the 3 things in. Should be a wrap. We'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Look at hand signs. There's the one bolt. There's another bolt here, and then there's the one that's going to take you 15 minutes in 85-degree weather. There's the only reason why I'm doing it. And because I'm not paying someone $300 to do something I could do. Granted, it should be an 8-minute job, and it will take me 30, but I saved 300, and it's fun. It's not fun. So just showing an old school trick. Hold your screw in there where you can't get a hand and a screw in there at the same time. Well, you could if. Anyway, so I just shoved a whole piece of tape from the factory that fell out of the wiring, and then just set it in there and push the screw in. That's hopefully going to hold me up to get in here. I'm sure I'll drop it 6 or 19 times, and it'll fall behind the carpet instead of on top, because that would make it easier. Well, then I'll get this screwed in and I'll be done, put these pieces back on. But this is just part of the fun. Alright, so I got that in there. Here's my little tape deal. It didn't fall off the first time or the 13th time. Anyway, it's in there. I didn't burn my hand on this light bulb. Nope, didn't burn my hand there. So we'll plug it in and go for a spin. All right. I hear something. It's on low. I don't know if this makes sense. Let's go through the vents. I can definitely see the dust. Ooh. That one vibrates. The other one did not. But that's the difference between T-Mook or wherever and the OG stuff. I don't remember what I paid. 30, 40 bucks. I'm sure an OG one would have been $1.25. Again, it is what it is. Hey, I got a phone call. This is the original one. I don't know if that's the original number. But anyway, like and subscribe.